it's Sadia. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. So instead of a review, I'm basically going to be talking about some makeup hacks to save you time and save you money. Alright, so let's get started. So the first makeup hack is you can actually use petroleum jelly as an eyebrow gel. So what you do is you open up the petroleum jelly, you take a spoolie, you spoolie it into the product, you take a little bit of the excess out, and then you just comb your brows in. The sticky component in it, it will lock your hairs in place, and that way you don't have to go out, spend money, and buy an eyebrow gel. Alright, so another makeup hack is that you can actually use a mascara as an eyeliner. So basically what you do is you open up the eyeliner, you take an angled brush like this, and you put it into the product, and then just like this, you make an eyeliner line, just like that. And that way you don't have to spend money on an eyeliner. Alright, so another makeup hack that you can do is whenever you have makeup in makeup tubes, basically what you can do is if you're running out, you can actually cut it in half and take the remaining product out with a cotton bud. And that way you save money on product. Alrighty. And another makeup hack that you can do is whenever you're doing your contour, making that perfect contour line is really difficult and really time consuming, but what you can do is you can use anything with a straight edge, like a ruler, a little sample packet, or a business card, and what you do is you align it like this, so it's kind of like a guide, and basically you take your contour brush and then you just sweep it like that. And that way you'll get a perfect contour line and you won't keep spending a lot of time making that contour line. Alright, so another makeup hack that you can do is you can actually save time in removing makeup. So what you do is you take your makeup cleanser, you put in a little bit of it in the pad, oops, I put too much, and then what you do is you put it on the eye and you hold it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that will really break up all the makeup and absorb most of the makeup, and that way you're not wasting time in removing your makeup and rubbing your makeup. Alright, so another makeup hack that you can do is whenever you apply eyeshadow, you can actually tilt your head back and just do your eyeshadow, and that way that minimizes fallout and you save time because you don't have to use a makeup wipe and you don't have to redo your makeup. So another makeup hack that I like to use, sometimes when I use a lipstick that's too dark, I like to use a lip gloss, and that will really, the shiny component of it will really lighten up that lip gloss, that lipstick. And that way you don't have to, waste money on another lipstick. So another thing that you can do is whenever your eyeshadow shatters, it's just like, I know that feeling, like it's just so sad. And so what you can do is that you can take 99% alcohol, and you can take a spoon and just flatten it, and that way it'll kind of return the eyeshadow, it'll kind of just press all the eyeshadow together, and that way you can use it again and you don't have to spend money on another palette. So another makeup hack that I like to use is instead of using powder, you can actually use baby powder. And so the baby powder will really absorb the oil, and that way you're not wasting all your powder and you're saving money because you're saving money on that powder. So another makeup hack that I like to use is whenever I'm blending eyeshadow or blush and I'm on the go, sometimes what I like to do is I like to take a dry makeup cotton and just kind of rub it on my face. That way I can just blend it out really quickly because tissue and stuff, it covers a little bit more surface area. And yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video for more makeup related content. You can subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay beautiful.